Hi students, this is how to find if a salt is acidic, basic or neutral. So in the question paper you can expect at least one question from this, and you can see a question here. You have few salts such as sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, ammonium chloride and sodium ethanoate. And which of this will give you acidic solution, neutral solution or basic solution? For that you should know few strong acids and few strong bases and few weak acid and weak bases. Salts are formed by the reaction of acid and base. So if the acid and the base, if both are strong, you will get a neutral salt. And if both acid and base are weak, then also you will get a neutral salt. If acid is strong, you'll get a acidic salt, and if the weak is strong, you will get a basic salt. So you should know few important strong acid and strong bases. So the strong acids are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid, and strong bases are sodium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. And weak acids are ethanoic acid, methanoic acid and carbonic acid, and ammonia is a weak base. Salt, sodium carbonate. In sodium carbonate you have the sodium which is from the basic part and the carbonate will be from the acid. So you know the sodium hydroxide is having sodium, so it will be from sodium hydroxide, and the carbonate you can see it is coming from the acid which is the carbonic acid, which is the weak acid. So you know this part is from the carbonic acid which is a weak acid. So you know here the base is strong, so the salt will be basic in nature. So whichever is strong, then it will be in that nature. Now you take sodium chloride. It is made from the base sodium hydroxide. You can see sodium there, and chlorine is from the HCl, you know, which is a strong acid. So sodium chloride is made from the strong acid and strong base, so the salt will be neutral in nature. Okay, and now when you take the ammonium chloride, you have the ammonia which is from the weak base. Okay, you can see, and also you can see the chlorine which is coming from the hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid. So here the acid is strong and the base is weak, so the salt will be acidic in nature. So is that clear for you? Then when you take the next one, which is sodium ethanoate, you can see the acidic part is from the weak acid which is ethanoic acid, and the sodium is from the sodium hydroxide which is a strong base. So the salt will be basic in nature because the base is strong here. So this is how you check if a salt is acidic or basic or neutral in nature.